Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet in 2025. For that, you just have to simply launch your Coinbase Wallet and then tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On this page, you will see this buy option, so you need to tap on buy. Now it will redirect you on this buy page where by default the network will be the base network. So since you want to buy BTC, you need to tap on the network first, and here you need to select Bitcoin. Now once you do this, it will show you the BTC in the buy section, so you need to just keep it as it is. Afterwards, it will show you the payment option, so you can tap on it and you can select the provider, and it will also give you the payment method of your choice. Now this may vary from country to country, so you just have to select the best payment method of your choice according to your country. Afterwards, you need to tap on the continue option in the bottom. Now in my country, it has selected on-ramp money provider for me, so in your country it may select someone else, so you just have to simply tap on the continue option in the bottom, and then you will be redirected on the official website of that provider. Now over here, you just have to simply create your account on the provider's website. Then you need to again enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. Afterwards, you just have to select your favorable payment method and conclude the payment. Once your payment is successful, you will get your Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet in no time. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.